How to dispo your wholesaling real estate deals in under an hour using XLeads. What's up guys, Zach Ginn here, and I'm going to show you today exactly how to go inside of XLeads, the ultimate all-in-one wholesaling software, to get your deals dispoed really quick. Heck, I did a live stream the other day where I had a deal in Texas and I dispoed it in under an hour, found 5 qualified buyers, got the deal sold. I kind of decided to make a follow-up video, kind of a video that doesn't take an hour, just to show you exactly how to go inside of XLeads and find the best buyers, the best deals, and ultimately the top wholesaling software. Now, I sound biased because I do own the software, so I just want to show you how amazing it is and actually how you can use it for your dispo. The reason why I'm making this video today is to let you know you do not have to go out here and spend $9, $15, heck, it goes all the way up to $40,000 every single year of the cost of some of these disposition wholesaling softwares, where you have to spend 40 grand to have good dispositions tools, which I think is ridiculous. What I'm gonna do for $160 a month is show you exactly how to get the same $40,000 a year tools, absolutely for 2-3% of the cost, so you can dispo your real estate deals as quick as possible. So let's kind of get inside of XLeads and show you exactly how to find buyers really quick, really easy, and get it actually sold, the deal sites, everything like that. So all you have to do is just head over here to xleads.com and you'll be able to actually go in here and get your deals done. So if I have a real estate deal and I'm looking to just find buyers really quick, I get a lot of people inside of Flipboard Plus are like, Zach, I just can't get a deal sold here. I say, just give me a zip code and I can find a deal. Just give me a zip code and I can find a buyer and get it dispoed quick. So all you have to do here is just go to the lead pipe section, then go inside here to investor leads. And what you're gonna be able to do is find buyers pretty much anywhere if you have the zip code. So for example here, if someone's got a deal in Fayetteville, 28306, somebody actually needed some buyers there. So basically what I did was I just put the zip code in, and guess what happens? Somebody asked me if they could JV a deal here in Fayetteville in the 28306 area code. And all I can say is yes, it's pretty dang easy, because if you get a deal locked up, all I have to do is put the zip code inside of XLeads and the top flippers are going to pop up right here. No other real estate wholesaling software has this because the data is really hard to pull. It's basically looking at how many times someone's bought a house, sold it, looking at average gross profit, average purchase price, and really figure out from top to bottom who the best buyers in the zip code are. Now, this is just North Carolina in general, right? We have really weird zip codes there. But what we can do here is just pop up from the top to bottom from most flips. Heck, I can even go by the most profit. Which guy in this zip has made the most profit? And you're gonna find some of these high profit people inside the software are just gonna be builders and hedge funds. I don't think you should shy away from them, but you should understand that it's a builder, not a natural cash buyer. So for example, Jsj Builders, probably not gonna be the top buyer for us, but Hometime Incorporated, heck, even Cruise Masters LLC, flipped 2 houses, made a lot of profit on that, good to go, right? Hey, if I scroll down here, people making less profits, but with some more flips, you're gonna find some people making good money. So for example here, this guy, Jeremy Cassiano, he's bought 2 houses. He's averaging buying them for $143, reselling them for like $280. This guy's making a good amount of money. He'd be a good guy to JV. Heck, NC Homebuyers LLC. Let's go click this person right here. NC Homebuyers has flipped 45 houses in total. Their portfolio is appreciating. They look like a legit wholesaler, right? So heck, not even a wholesaler, a house flipper, I can go get my deal sold really quick to them, right? All I have to do is just click residential portfolio and I can see the properties they currently own also. So I kind of understand where their buy box is. Now, if you just want to go skip trace them really quick, we are having some updated versions and some new things coming along with XLeads in the future. So I don't want to reveal that right now. But right now, if you just want to skip trace them, just click add to my leads. And you can just press lead trace, and for 7 cents, you get a really good hit. This is probably one of the best corporate skip tracing you're gonna find. And it's a lot cheaper than any other software when it comes to your dispositions. But heck, even if you wanna be cheap and you don't even wanna spend the money, all you have to do is just highlight the person right here, click search, and what you're gonna find is NC Homebuyers, right? And their website pops up right here. So if I wanna reach the guy and actually go out here and get my deal JV'd, All you have to do is just call that number and boom, you're gonna reach out to this guy really simple. So he is a wholesaler. He might be a flipper, but what I could tell you is this person is legit. They're buying properties. We can go inside of XLeads and confirm they're flippers. That might be wholesalers, but they also flip at the same time. Heck, that's who I am. I actually give wholesalers a lot of money too. So this is a person go and talk to. Looks like they are claiming here that they bought 159 houses in 2 years. So they seem pretty legit. That might be actors, but it might be them. Who knows? But hey, they buy everywhere too. Jeez Louise, man. So I can gather the guy's name's Kevin. That's his phone number. Great guy if I'm looking to find a buyer for my next deal pretty quick. Heck, if I just want to find other people that are actually doing well, I'm going to go by the amount of flips. I'm going to go out here and filter. And I want someone to at least make at least 20 grand on every flip they do. And then I don't want them to be flipping more than like 20 houses, right? And now when you get some bigger zip codes, you're going to find that. And this should get rid of all of the banks. If you want to max out average gross profit, I don't think anyone's really making more than 100K per flip in average gross profit. You're going to find basically that you're going to get rid of all the crazy builders, and doing this filtering is just going to pop you in the front all the hedge funds and all the top cash buyers in the zip code. Heck, Felix Cruz here is buying houses for 130. He's making about 20 grand per flip. Brookstone Partners. Let's go actually search Brookstone Partners. So they have a decently sized portfolio here. And it looks like Brookstone Partners is just looking at the website here. Maybe a capital. I don't even know. I got to do some more research on this. Carolina Corporate Directory. All I have to do is search. All I need to do is search the address here. And it looks like that Single Source Real Estate Services. But really, it's a family office. So it seems like this is a builder and developer. So yeah, they're going to look to develop real estate, maybe flip, decent people to go after, and then boom, their phone number pops up here. That's the really cool part about XLeads. You don't really have to spend really any money on your skip tracing, because if you're a bigger buyer or a decent buyer, you're going to have your info everywhere. This is 2024, right? Best investment realty in the zip code this year. Looks like we're buying a lot of properties, making a lot of good profit here. So I'm just going to go search them up here and get some info. Flip 27 houses. This isn't fake. And B Home Realty. That is exactly what we see here. And all I have to do is get the phone number right here, call them up. And these B Home Realty people also flip houses. A lot of good realtors do this. And heck, going through here, I mean, this is just one zip code, right? Look at all the stinking buyers we found here. Do you think 1 out of these 30 people are going to want to buy the house? Heck, we got 94 people flipping houses. You're easily going to be able to dispo that deal. And when it comes time to dispo that deal, and heck, if you want to blast the deal out, you just click the publish property button when you go inside the CRM of XLeads. Not trying to confuse you, right? But right here, you're going to be able to create a listing of your real estate deals, just like any disposition software. You have the top buyers. You're able to create the website, the deal listing site, and get it sold and sent to them as soon as possible. I'm not big on making a massive marketplace because that is just a lawsuit waiting to happen, but you can create the deal site. Heck, go back out here and let's try to go into our CRM for the buyers. Just go to buyers right here and all of our buyers will pop up. I can just add them on here, pop an email, and boom, we can go email blast the deal out to them. Once we build that out in our CRM, our buyers list. And heck, probably one of my favorite secret features no one else has is if you go back to your property board, right? And let's say this deal in Winchester Estates, right? So it's an assignment deal, right? Putting this, all this. I put all my property information, right? I put the county, I put how many bedrooms, how many baths, all these things. And one thing about it is when you have XLeads, once you put the lead in, all the info is already put in for you because we're connected, the CRM, to the data set. We have all the connections, APIs, and all that fancy schmancy stuff in there. And we have that there. Now, when I go add in a cash buyer, I can actually go out here and put their preferences of where they're looking to buy. They're looking to buy from here to here. These are the areas they're looking to buy. This is their information. Now, when it's time when I have all my buyers set and I add a new lead or I import a lead, right? I'm going to go to this property. I'm going to click power matching. And what's going to happen is all of my buyers that I currently have that have preferences that match the property I just locked up automatically pop up here inside of XLeads. So I put all my buyers in the CRM, I put all my sellers in the CRM that I locked up, and boom, All I have to do is click the power matching button, and all my qualified buyers that want to have the property that I locked up, it fits their buy box, pop up right here. Now we only have one here, but the really cool part is I just click all, click send email, and what pops up is exactly a pre-written email saying, I think this property may be the one for you, with the listing site that we created, talking about it's a 3-2, all these things. I didn't do any of this, right? It was all pre-typed out from XLeads doing it and sending it out and blasting it out to our buyers. And that is the power of XLeads. You do not have to go out here and spend 20, 40, 50 grand on disposition software. Heck, inside of XLeads, you already have all the ultimate list pulling guide, right? So you got all these data points, right? You can pull all the lists. So you have the list pulling and then the marketing side of this business. You have the disposition side. You have the CRM side. Heck, you have AI auto list stacking here and the ultimate comping tools. Heck, we have an instant MAO function in this. For the price of just one wholesaling list pulling software, you get the dispositions and the marketing and the CRM all together in one roof, which is XLeads, the ultimate all-in-one wholesaling software. Not even trying to make this a pitch fest or just to try to promote it. I'm just telling you, if you're not using XLeads to dispo your deal, you are missing out. That extra 40 grand every single year you save, if you pour that back into marketing, you're gonna be making a lot more money. So you actually make more money having this software than having any other dispositions one that's $50,000, $60,000. And if you want to sign up right now to XLeads, just go to xleads.com. We're getting ready to do our massive version 2 launch. And I can't guarantee we're going to keep the prices the same. If you sign up, this price is locked in forever for you. But when we do the new version, which is going to have some insane stuff, it will update for you with the same pricing. But if the price is a little higher now, don't blame me. So get right here, lock in your price before the next version comes out, and I'll see you inside of XLeads. This is Zach Ginn signing out. If you got any value, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe. We'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.